Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Battle Chronicle event is active and your game is updated. Once done, log into your strongest account, open the event panel, and read objectives. This tells you which duels grant Chronicle points. Make sure you've freed inventory space and have at least one deck tuned for the event's rule set. Start with the easiest stages that give points fast, because early momentum unlocks multiplier rewards and makes farming more efficient later. Once you're in, focus on the point per stamina math. Pick stages that maximize Chronicle points for the cost. Use event boosters and character skills that add percentage bonuses. These stack with win streaks to raise yield. Make sure to rotate decks so you have favorable matchups and avoid repeated losses that reduce efficiency. Also use friend support characters that grant point boosts, and complete side missions between runs to capture bonus rewards. You finish by converting points in the event shop and claiming limited rewards before they expire. Prioritize exclusive cards and exchange currency efficiently. After redeeming, upgrade any new cards and refine your decks with improved skill combinations. If you encounter issues, such as progress not registering or missing rewards, first re-log in and clear cache, then check the event notice for known bugs. If problems persist, contact support with screenshots. This often speeds resolution, so you don't lose earned Chronicle progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.